Hello friends, welcome to our Rockstar Virat Power YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about 3.2, a lesson in life from a beggar, that is chit chat section. This is an important video for you for the 10th class English preparation. So let's get started. See, in the chit chat section, first question is given like, make a small group and share a piece of advice that stopped a bad habit in you. See, you have to share in your group that is a piece of advice that stopped a bad habit in you. Which piece of advice stopped a bad habit in you? See, answer is like, instead of worrying about your mistakes, learn from them and do better next time. It is very good advice because many students when they try to speak in English, like Marathi medium student has already fluence in Marathi, but when they are going to talk in English, they think lot of things like they will feel like anybody will laugh at them. They are doing mistakes while speaking. Their grammar correction or their speaking style is not fluent one. That's why they feel worry and anxious while speaking in English. But rather than speaking all other people's what will they think, we have to focus on ourselves and try to speak as much as possible in English language. Then only your English speaking skill will be improved. Otherwise, you will not get fluent in English. Whether you are reading from like 10 years or 15 years, but for the speaking fluency, you have to utilize your language lot of time. Okay, then only you can be fluent. In this way, we don't have to worry about your mistakes. We have to learn from them and do our better for the next time. Then I always get worried when I get low marks or I make mistake. My mother told me worrying will not solve anything. Instead, learn from your mistake or my mistakes that why I can do better next time and I progress in my life. See, any time you will feel like this mistake I have doing for this time. So you have to note down in your diary. I previously told you in my next previous video, you have to maintain your journal. In that you have to write it down your mistakes which are happening with from you in the past, and write it down, and the suggestion points like I will not do it again. In this way you have to make that point and have to remember that point while living in your day to day progress in your life. See, next question is given as a quote like a proverb that you love to use often. Which one? Like, don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. Like by John Wooden. So in this, they have to tell you like, if you don't have any ability in other work, like if you are good at a speaking skill, or like if you are good at a writing one, then if you are not very good at housework or other things, then you should not do like I don't know anything. This way you should do whatever you want to do or whatever you want to improve. So and this way you have to focus on your own skill and an experience that taught you a lifelong lesson. You have to share it. Like I had to complete project and I was running of ideas how to start. I tried, it was going very slowly and I was afraid I will not be able to complete on time. Then a few of my friends called me and they said they were experiencing the same things. We decided to come together and complete the project. Once we were together, we were able to come up with various ideas and then one by one implement all of those. Since we were four of us, we were able to quickly complete the project, and then I realized the importance of teamwork. I realized the importance of teamwork. The next question is given like a story, news, episode, movie, play that has impressed and changed you. Which are the stories or news or episodes or movies or the play impressed or changed you? You have to write it answer like this way. I was impressed with Hindi movie Mary Kom. I also impressed with that movie. I learned the importance of hard work through that movie. I learned that I work hard, that no matter what my circumstances, I can do well in my life. I will not focus on my problems, I will focus on my solutions. Okay. The next question is given like many slang expression terms are used for people having positive or negative trends. Match the expression in column A with the type of person in column B. See, couch potato is given as lazy, good for nothing. Worrywart means always nervous, worried. Foodie doody means old fashioned, refuses change. Then wet blanket spoils other people's funs or moods. Whiz means a brilliant genius. Then black sheep means a shameful person. Then live right means very energetic and active one. Okay. The next is given question is given like discuss in your life group and write the difference in reaction of an optimistic and pessimistic in the given situation. Failures in exam test like optimistics are given like will see it as an opportunity to learn and do better next time. Pessimist is will be sad and start getting afraid of exam. Then lose a good amount of cash, that is optimistic, will learn why they lost and why they lost the cash and be careful next time. Pessimist means will be nervous and keep worrying about the loss. Okay. Then next one is like unexpected rainfall, bad weather. What is about that? Optimistic will things like will learn why they lost the cash and be careful for the next time. Pessimistic will tell will be nervous and keep worrying about the loss, how it loss happened, then that loss will be happen with me and what to do I will and what happened with me. In this way they feel like always be worrying about that one rather than focusing on what you have now, rather than you are fearing about the future. Okay. Unexpected rainfall or bad weather is given like optimistic will feel like will look for other things to do home or whatever they are. Pessimistic will think like will be constantly complaining on how their plans got ruined in this way. Then illness is also one. Then optimistic will see it as an opportunity to make their health better, and pessimist will think like will be scared of their illness and afraid to do anything. Then extra classes in school will like optimistic will think will see it is an opportunity to learn more. Pessimist will think like will complain about losing their time in their future. In this way, we have learned today an important point, that is chit chat section of our lesson 3.2, and this lesson has name a lesson in life from a beggar. Okay, you have to share this video for all of your other 10th class students so that they can also join our YouTube channel and they will also comment in the comment box. So see you soon. Bye bye.